Welcome to Foodili. Today's dish, crispy potato egg toast. Ready to cook. Let's start with peeling 2 potatoes. Next, grate the peeled potatoes into fine shreds. Important, squeeze out all the juice from the grated potatoes. In a bowl, mix the potatoes with 4 eggs. Stir until the potato and egg blend well. Season with 2 tsp salt, 1 tsp red pepper, and 1 tsp paprika. Now, coat 6 to 8 slices of toast evenly in the mix. Time to fry. Put toast in hot oil for 3 to 5 minutes each side. Fry until each side is golden and crispy. Join the Foodili family. Like, comment, and share the love. Your support means the world to me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Crispy potato egg toast is ready. Enjoy! Join the Foodili family for exclusive recipes and tips. Like and subscribe now. Explore unique, easy-to-follow recipes and expert cooking tips at Foodili.com. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.